Beshies! Laura here! Welcome back to my channel! So, kakakuha ko lang ng aking TESDA certification for domestic work. At dumaan muna ako dito sa pinaka-the best na milk tea na natikman ko dito sa Manila. Ang pangalan ng milk tea shop ay Fantastic. Yeah, Fantastic. So, masarap yung milk tea nila dito at mura lang. And I am not paid to do this. This is not sponsored. Bumili ako ng tea. And actually, meron silang promo ngayon na 3 for 100. So, na-try ko yung milk tea nila dito na butterscotch at super nagustuhan ko, beshies. As in, lahat ng hinahanap ko sa milk tea ay nasa butterscotch or nasa milk tea nila. So, ayun, bumalik ulit ako dito. Actually, I am not staying here at Quirino. So, kung nasa Quirino ang location ng Fantastic. Pero pumunta lang ako dito kasi yung location na kung saan ay kinuha ko itong certificate ko ay nandito. And while I was reviewing for TESDA assessment, na-try ko yung milk tea nila dito at super nagustuhan ko, kaya ngayon na nakabalik ako dito sa Quirino. Actually, malapit lang sa Quirino LRT station ang location nito. So, pagbalik ko dito ngayon ay nag-order ako kasi nagustuhan ko. Super na-miss ko yung milk tea nila, and it's best timing or it's a good timing na nakabalik ako dito ngayon. So, I grabbed the opportunity, bumili ako ng 3. Iba't ibang flavors yung binili ko na kasama dun sa promo nila na 3 for 100. So, I am still waiting for my order actually. Yung in-order kong flavors ay strawberry, which is my ultimate favorite. And then, yung pinakauna kong nagustuhan na flavor nila na butterscotch at I think buko pandan or banana ba yung third na in-order ko. Pero, naghihintay pa ako sa order ko ngayon. And I also love the place kasi kahit maliit lang siya pero super linis, super friendly ng kanilang staff. At ayun, napaka-cute ng kanilang setup dito. Papakita ko sa inyo, beshies. Ayan o. Ayan siya. So, napaka-cute, napakaganda ng kanilang location. Ayan o. It's very convenient, beshies, kasi may menu book na sila sa table. Ito yung mga menu nila. Ayan. So, sobrang dali lang maghanap ng orderin. Gusto ko sanang itry tong blueberry cheesecake nila, but I am not sure kung available ba. So, ito yung mga milk tea na available dito sa kanilang store. Ayan, meron din silang mga coffee.
Lagay ko lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So these are the milk teas. Miss, available yung blueberry cheesecake ninyo?
Wala pa nga.
Wala kayong cakes na
Wala
available?
pa. Okay.
Thank you. So, beshies, these are the milk teas. So, it's 3 for 100 at super satisfied ako. Ayan. And another thing that I want to mention, beshies, is that the shop is or the cafe is well ventilated, as in malamig dito. So yun yung menu book nila, beshies. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo yung milk tea selections nila, but just in case na nandito kayo sa Maynila at mahilig kayo sa milk tea at gusto nyong makatry or makasubok ng bago, so I highly recommend these fantastic milk teas. So like I said earlier, meron silang 3 for 100 na promo, pero ito yung mga milk tea nila. Meron silang 39 pesos, meron din silang 49 pesos. And then ito yung main courses nila, but I think they are not available right now. Sobrang sarap talaga ng milk tea nila dito, beshies. Meron siyang black pearl sago at sobrang soft na nguyain yung black pearl sago nila. And I think for 39 pesos, this is so worth it. Kasi 39 pesos tong isang cup nila. And by the way, this is banana flavor. I decided to try this instead of the butterscotch para maiba naman. And hindi ako nagsisi, beshies, kasi masarap siya. So, that's it for my vlog, beshies. This is just a short one, pero sana natuwa pa rin kayo. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye!
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself,